Have you woken up feeling a little bit worse for wear today? Maybe you had one too many cocktails last night. That's okay, because I am going to show you how I make my ultimate hangover juice, which is going to help replenish your electrolytes, it's going to nourish your liver, and it's just going to give you a bit of a boost that you need when you're not feeling so great. Now, for this recipe, we're going to be using 1 cup of coconut water. Coconut water is rich in electrolytes, and it's going to help hydrate your body after a big night of drinking. We're going to be using some kale because kale is great for our liver. It's going to help with the liver detoxification and provide it with the nutrients that it needs to clear out any of those yucky toxins. Of course, we're going to be using the greens powder because this is just going to help you feel amazing. And of course, it's going to support your liver as well. We've got the acai powder because it's rich in antioxidants, as well as our berries. So we're going to be using frozen berries for this one. I'm going to be using half the juice of a lemon. Once again, it's going to support our liver detoxification. And then we have a cup of ice. Now, what we're going to do is pop all our ingredients into our blender. When you're using the kale, we want to make sure we're removing the leaves from the stem. We don't want to be popping the stem into the blender. It's just going to give it a really bitter taste, and it's going to have quite a bit of chunks in it. We don't want that. Now, I'm going to show you a really cool food hack that I learned from Callum from MasterChef. I thought this was really cool. So when you're using a lemon, instead of cutting half of it, because you only want to use half, what you do is first roll your lemon, make it nice and juicy. It'll go all squishy. This means the juice is all there, ready to be used. So just roll it on your bench like this. And then, this is so cool. I just found this amazing. Get a chopstick or a skewer and then stick it in the end, this end, not this end. Stick it in. Oh, and look, all the juice just like pours out of the lemon, like that. Oh, so cool. And then instead of throwing away the lemon because it gets all dry, you just pop it in the fridge like this, and it's good to use again next time you need to make your liver cleansing juice. Okay, now I'm just gonna pop all the rest of the ingredients in my blender. Okay, so as you can see, it's not the prettiest juice you'll ever make, but trust me, after a big night of drinking, this is just what your body needs. So I hope this helps curb your hangover.